Hey guys, it's Christmas Eve and feel bad. Let me just try to adjust this thing first. Okay. There you go. So yeah. Hey guys, it's Christmas Eve and I feel bad for myself because the thing is I didn't prepare anything for today. And I should be preparing, I should be getting ourselves ready. We still don't have any perfect meal for tonight. So I'm gonna go out and shop some stuffs. We're gonna go out. Yeah, I have only a few hours left. It's already 3:30. I should have done this yesterday or early this morning, but anyway, I'm heading out now. Quite a good weather today. Yeah. First things first, we're gonna go to the filler shop. There you go, going to my Sagana filler shop. Looking for some stuff. Ooh. I got a few of the stuffs here. And I forgot to bring a bag, so I just borrowed their trolley. Christmas beer. We're getting this. Yeah. Okay, the bottle shop was a bit crowded today, and like everybody was rushing and trying to get their liquor for tonight. And just got 2 beer and a vodka cruiser. And I'm gonna head over to Woolies right now to get some groceries. Let's go. Hey guys, so just done with the shops and I'm heading back home again. I didn't film the shops because it's kind of annoying. Like a lot of people out there and social distancing and everything else, and some weird people who see a camera and think that it's crazy. But either way, yeah, I'm heading back home now, and we're having ribs for dinner. I think if Laura's okay with it. I just got some ribs, pork ribs. Yeah, and the grill. Yeah. Okay. And I just got home, and I know Laura's gonna hate it because I just got her this potato jewels. They're like potato gems, but they're jewels. So she's gonna hate me. It's fatty and everything bad. But it's Christmas. Anyway, need to go inside and unload the car. Yeah. Finally, we're out of the house. Yes! Boxing Day, we're out of the house. Yes! That's just it.
It's so hot and I'm wearing jeans.
And we're, yeah, it's 33 degrees today, so yeah, it's gonna be so hot. Pretty nice car out there. Look at that, mate. Yeah, nice car. Okay, just came across, while walking here, just came across this big, is it a gum tree? I'm not sure, I'm not good with trees, but yeah, that's big. That's really big. And you have a river up here. Yeah, so the road is there. And yeah, just checking this place out. Oh yeah. So yeah, it's basically a very big one. Just a bit far from it, but yeah, you can see that street. So yeah, I'm just around here, Hillsville, and this short walk around the river, and there are dogs around. But yeah, just walking around. My hair's dry. Forgot to put something to moisten it up, but yeah. So yeah, that's it. Nice dogs. Just passed by this bridge, and yeah, it's a nice bridge. It's made of wood. There's no water underneath it, but there's a bridge. It's nice to see a bridge. Yeah. Back home, it's gonna cost a lot to have a bridge like this. And yeah.
never known a love so steady. Even gold won't turn your tide. We flow together like an ocean, every low and every high. And I would have you anyway, dear, any way your heart could